Hi! In this lesson, you will learn the most important things to get through traffic safely. Let's drive! Let's start with the turn. The driving instructor or the expert will tell you early on when you should turn. Use this time to prepare yourself accordingly. First, observe the inside rearview mirror for the traffic behind you. Then look at the door mirror to check the traffic on the side. Check the blind spot by glancing over your shoulder on the side you want to turn to. With these 3 looks, you should have seen everything around the vehicle. If everything is clear and nobody is next to the vehicle, you can blink and then merge onto the bicycle lane. With the merge, you show your intention to turn and prevent being overtaken on the side. Now you can slow down, look over the junction and then turn. Practice this process often on both sides to automate it. If you want to turn at a traffic light, keep to the left on your lane so that the bicycles can pass your car on the right. Before turning, you definitely need to look over your shoulder. Let's stay with the signal light. Here we differentiate between a full green light, a green arrow with yellow flashing light, and only a green arrow. Remember, arrow alone, you're alone. If the arrow doesn't have a yellow blinking light, you can go ahead. Of course, mistakes by others can also occur, and that's why we always look to the left and to the right when driving at a junction. If you turn at a full green light or at a green arrow with a yellow flashing light, oncoming traffic or pedestrians in the longitudinal direction can also have a green. However, the cross traffic is never green when you're green. Plan your waiting time if you want to turn left. Maybe that was a little quick now. Check out this crossroad with a full green signal to see what I mean. We come to the roundabout. Most of the time, you can drive through the roundabout without stopping. Look for a gap early on and drive slowly. Vehicles approaching from the left have right of way. Start blinking at an exit before leaving the roundabout. If the pedestrian crossing is free, you can accelerate out of it quickly. Regarding speed, always drive as comfortably as possible. You can do this best if you don't make rapid pedal changes. This means that there should be a roll phase between accelerating and braking. While turning, you should have braked enough at the beginning of the curve to keep your pace at the curve. Look far ahead so that you can see the speed restrictions early on. For example, the moment you pass a speed signal, you're not allowed to drive more than the indicated speed. In urban areas, and especially in Zone 30, watch out for the right priorities. Establish a braking readiness there in order to shorten the stopping distance. So, that's it when it comes to driving in traffic. It's best to start practicing when there is little traffic. Then you are less stressed and can enjoy driving from the very beginning.